Today, you will learn how to add page numbers in Word top right corner step by step. First, go to the Insert tab. In the Header and Footer section, click on Page Number. A menu will appear. Move your mouse over top of Page and you will see several page number styles. To place the page number in the top right corner, choose one of the right-aligned options. As soon as you click it, Word will automatically insert page numbers on every page of your document in the top right corner. Now you will notice that the header area is open. This is where the page numbers are placed. You can click directly on the page number to edit its formatting if needed. For example, you can change the font style, font size, font color, or make it bold, just like regular text. This allows you to match the page numbers with the rest of your document design. If you want the numbering to start from a specific number instead of 1, click on Page Number again, then choose Format Page Numbers. A dialog box will appear where you can select the numbering style, such as 1, 2, 3, or I, double I, triple I. You can also set the starting number to any value you want. If you found this video useful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.